Hey there! Hello everybody! So today I finished to migrate the Drift to our application, so now all our subscribers will get mails from Drift, and I start to check all the flow of GRAD implementation, and it's worked well. So I will continue to check everything tomorrow or on Sunday. So enjoy the weekend and bye, see you.
Hey guys, welcome to my Daily DAV. This is my first one from the office in Tel Aviv. It's been really great to meet all the team here. It's a group of wonderful people. Yesterday I mainly spent time getting up to date and meeting a few new people, and then today we had Shahaz's birthday and working on some things this afternoon in preparation for a call with John tonight with the company in Canada. Thank you.
Hey guys, so yesterday I spent some time on our different marketing activities, and I also worked with Alex closely on several website improvements. So today most of the improvements were already pushed live, and I also had a product planning meeting with Tal, planned the next 2 weeks now with the coming drone charging and route planning utilities. So well, this is it for today guys, thanks.
Hi guys, today I'll start making new landing page for our project. This page I'll make the idea from banners. I'll place in that page more cars and drones, and I'll tie them up by lines. This idea symbolizes the link between autonomous vehicles. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Hi everyone! Yesterday I focused on hammering out some of our pre-sale analytics, taking a look at where we stand and making sure we're up to date on everything. Today I'll just be double checking some of those items, although that's pretty much finished, and I will be reaching out to some of our early contributors to say hello, let them know what's happening, and of course continuing with our ongoing incoming emails. See you next time.
Hey DailyDAV, this is Daniel. So today I started the day with editing the DailyDAV, and then we had a really nice team grouping and we celebrated Char's birthday. After that I worked some more on the scammers video, and later I'm gonna start working on Greg Colvin's interview. And that will be it for today. See you next time.
Hey everyone, so last couple days I've been handling calls to the DAV Alliance. Had a great call with the product management people over at Verizon Connect, and also with the administrator at ITS Estonia. It looks like that there could be some very fruitful collaborations with both of those groups down the road. So we'll see how that evolves over time. Also, I've been preparing for my trip to New York City. I'll be leaving on Sunday. I'll be attending Consensus 2018. So if anybody in the DAV community is going to be there, drop me a line. Maybe we can get together, grab a coffee, have a chat. I will probably talk to you guys next from New York. See you then.
Hey, Davers, Alec here, and Daniel as well. Today's meeting with Mapit went really well. We'll explore further synergies with them shortly. Later this month, as I mentioned already, Noam will be speaking at EcoMotion's Smart Mobilities event. Just setting up the final details and DAV information that will be presented to the crowd. Other than that, next week I won't be posting that much. I'll be out of the office. That's it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi everybody. Today I'm going to wrap up the task of merging different service providers together in the same from different branches, and then tomorrow I will start to work on implementation of Captain Sky for charging drones service. That's it for me for today.
Hey Davers, today I'm going to mostly work on verifying the various Google Analytics events we're sending to make sure we're ready for all the KYC and stuff like that for Lior. So, see you next time, bye!
Hey Davers, today I continue to work on the Captain Sky dashboard. It's gonna be my first React app, so it's gonna be very challenging and interesting. See you next day.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparta here with our videographer Gregory, and we just had our interview with Jay Adelson, one of our great advisors. that's it for today. Gonna head back and do some work. Thanks everybody. Have a good one.
Hey there, Davers! So, yesterday I worked with Lior on the SkySys integration and made a lot of progress on the smart contracts as well. Today we celebrated Shachar's birthday, and then I'm going to be spending the rest of the day working on the smart contracts. See you tomorrow!
Yeah.